Hey, you boys gotta wake up. Raynor sold us out. I joined this outfit to fight the Dominion, not work for him.
Everybody simmer down. We trusted the commander before. We should trust him now.
You can't trust that drunk. Jim Raynor's nothing but a spineless coward.
You've been nothing but poison since you got on this crate.
That right. Pathetic. Only person you can trust is yourself. The sooner you peons figure that
Heard
out.
about enough of this.
You got 'em all fooled, don't you, Jimmy? But the first sign of trouble, you'll just duck and run. It's what you do, ain't it? Me, them, that pretty little girlfriend of yours.
Don't do something you're gonna regret, Tychus. Think he's right? I'm just gonna run out on you?
You got us working for the Dominion now, Commander. Taking us back to Char. It's like you're gone already.
This ain't about the Dominion. Our war's always been about saving lives. If the Zerg wipe everyone out, it's all been for nothing. So I'm going back to Char. If you're with me, it's your choice. Just like it's always been.
Now that's the commander I've been waiting on.
Satisfied?
Let's get back to work, boys.
I don't want to have this conversation again. And fix my damn jukebox.
A little help here? Anybody?
You still got a problem with us working alongside Valerian?
Manx turned out to be a ruthless dictator, but that shouldn't automatically condemn his son. I followed you through hell and back, sir. I'm not quitting on you now.
Good man. This truce won't last forever. Just long enough to get the job done.
On a personal note, nice job with Tychus. That ass-kicking's been a long time coming.
Well, Junior, we got our hands on the final artifact. You can take possession of the whole set at any time.
Thank you, Commander, and well done. You're every bit as resourceful as I've been led to believe. I think the odds are stacking in our favor.
You better hope so. Delivering this artifact thing right to Kerrigan's doorstep, we're gonna need all the luck we can get.
Rest easy. We'll have the might of the Dominion fleet behind us.
Right.
That was a rough mission. I can't believe you got the artifact.
Yeah, okay. Have you seen my stapler? Little hint, it's red.
How you holding up down here, Chief?
Better, now we got our old commander back. Oh, and our new best friend, Prince Charming, came through with some upgraded battlecruiser schematics. I've been working on some interesting modifications for our ships.
I'll check them out. Where we're going, we're gonna need all the firepower we can get.
Here's my man. How can I be helping you, Mr. Raynor?
You sit up here watching everything. Tell me what you see. Tyke's just a mean drunk?
I wish it was just that. All that jealousy and rage. He's fighting himself over something he don't want to do. You'll see.
You ready to tell me what the hell that was all about?
Man, these last few weeks, helping you fight the good fight, I finally got a taste of what real freedom is. But that's all coming to an end with you charging off like some damn hero for a cause I couldn't care less about.
Then what was all that talk earlier about doing humanity a favor and getting paid well in the process?
Just seems the closer we get to your Queen of Blades. Well, let's just say things don't always work out the way you plan, Jimmy.
I need you with me on this one, Tychus. Trust me. For old time's sake.
All right, I'm with you.
That's my boy.
Old times.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from UNN Studios on Core Hall. Troubling news tonight, as Crown Prince Valerian seems to have gone missing.
That's right, Donnie. Prince Valerian was scheduled to speak at the launch of the Dominion's newest battlecruiser, the White Star. But the ceremony had to proceed without the prince when he failed to arrive.
Official government sources offered no comment.
Whatever the situation, we here at UNN hope the prince is okay.
Oh, Junior's doing just fine. So far.
You came to the right place.
Jim, refugee populations from across the sector have been using Meinhoff as a staging point. But with so many people in close proximity, an epidemic of some kind has started sweeping through the camps. Please, my people need help. We've got to do something before it's too late.
So what are we looking at, Doc?
Our readings indicate some kind of bio-infestation is spreading through the refugee camps. Even the buildings are being covered by it.
I've seen this kind of thing before. It's a Zerg virus. All we can do is burn it out. Every one of those infested buildings has to be destroyed.
But where are all the people? Oh no. Those things are infested refugees? This is a nightmare.
Yeah. This ain't good at all.
It looks like they burrow underground by day and emerge only at night. The virus must make them vulnerable to the high UV output of Meinhoff's star.
Then we'll hit the infested buildings by day and protect our base at night. Don't worry, Doc. We'll contain this thing.
ahead.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Roger.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
This better be good. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
All right, boys. We can't risk the contagion spreading to this camp. I want a perimeter set and some bunkers in place now.
You going sweet on that doctor lady, Jimmy.
SCV ready.
Can't see why else we'd keep fighting for these damn dirt farmers.
Is that some sort of nest? You better destroy it.
Minerals.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete. Not enough minerals.
Ah!
My goose is getting cooked.
Been waiting on. Who wants some?
Add-on.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
My goose is getting cooked.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
SCV ready.
Good job,
Not
guys.
enough minerals.
This area's secure.
You gonna give me orders? SCV ready. Armed and ready.
Fueled up. Say the word. Fight fire.
Now we gotta hold out till sunrise. Brace yourselves. This could get ugly.
Who wants some? By the numbers, boys. You got it.
Is it critical?
Go, go, go! Armed? You gonna give me orders?
Not enough minerals.
This better be good. Been waiting. Who wants some? SCV ready. Go ahead. Go, go, go! What? Huh? SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead. Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Please. Kill me.
Base is under attack.
Who wants some? Got it. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Who wants?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
Infested Marines? Oh, hell, Jimmy, I don't care for that notion one bit.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear.
Not enough minerals.
Uh-huh. Been waiting on you. SCV ready. This better be good. Armed and ready. By the number. SCV ready. Been waiting on you.
Where does it hurt? Is it critical?
By the numbers, boys. Who wants some? Gotcha. You want a piece of me, boy? You gonna give me orders? By the numbers.
Additional supply depots required.
Big job, huh? Sure thing. Yo. Hey, hotshot. I got schematics to build them Hellions you saw in Marsara. Should be good down there. Gonna give me orders? Sure. Big job, huh? Bad news? Arm, you gonna give me orders? By the... This better be good. Who wants? Been waiting on. Armed and ready. I'm waiting. What's going on? In the rear with the gear. You gonna give me orders?
Sun's coming up. We gotta hold on a little longer.
I'm going.
Not enough minerals. Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Hurdle.
What's going on?
Upgrade complete.
What's up? Been waiting on you. Aye, aye, sir.
Rise and shine, boys. Now it's our time to do some damage.
Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals.
This better be. You gonna give me orders?
Not enough minerals.
Yes, sir. Ready to raise some hell. Gangway, coming through. This better be good. Are you ready for this? Who wants some? You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals. Additional supply depots required.
Die, die, die. Sure thing. Affirmative. Oh yeah. Where's the hot action? This better be one a piece of me, boy.
Additional supply depots required.
Why not? In the rear with the gear. I can't build here. Well, butter my biscuit. I'm going. Been waiting on.
All right, this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
I'm on it. Affirmative.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
Not enough minerals.
Go, go, go! Keep your shirt on. Ready to raise some hell. Who wants some? Been waiting by the number.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
Coming through.
Scans are picking up a unique Zerg biosignature. It appears to be a burrowing creature that is underground during the day and emerges only at night.
Sir, if you kill one of those creatures, Stetman can study it and perhaps learn something.
By the number. Been waiting on you.
Not enough minerals.
You gonna give me orders? This better be good.
Not enough minerals.
By the number. We could use some help here.
My goose is getting
Upgrade complete.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
Be quiet.
Armed and
got my attention. Barbecue time.
Upgrade complete.
This better be good. You gonna give me orders?
Fuel up.
By the number. Armed and ready. Roger that. Got it. Can't wait. Orders. This better be good. Go, go, go! Sure thing. Sure it out, Sparky. But...
My goose is getting cooked.
Bad news? Big job, huh? We hear you.
Not enough minerals.
By the numbers.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
Move it.
Not enough minerals.
Big job, huh? Can't hold her. Oh, yeah, this better be good. You gonna give me right number, boy. That's armed and ready. You got it. Ready to raise some hell. Can't wait.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Can't hold on. That's fine. Sure about it. Yes, sir. Can't wait. Got it. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready.
Ooh, that sure pissed him off. Maybe we should wait for daylight.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
I'm in a heap of trouble. You gonna give me orders? Sure.
What is that thing? Was it human?
Complete.
Been waiting months, son.
All right. This sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Go, go! Ready to raise some hell.
Not enough minerals.
Where's the hot?
Not enough.
This better be good.
Not enough minerals.
I'm in a heap of trouble. Been waiting on who wants some. Affirmative. Of course. Gangway, coming through. Sure thing. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. You want a piece of me, boy? Looking forward to it. This better be good. I'm in a heap of trouble. Yes, sir. We could use some help here. Want some? That's fine. Armed and ready. This better be. Wait. Gangway, coming through.
Roger that.
Base is under attack.
This better be good.
Base is under attack.
Talk to me, boss! By the numbers, boys. I'm on it. Of course. Armed and ready. Seriously, you sure like stirring up the hornet's nest.
Not enough minerals.
Will do. Gangway, coming through.
I'm in a heap of trouble. Go ahead. Yep.
Not enough minerals.
Been waiting on you. This better be good. Armed and ready.
Ready to raise some hell.
Gangway, coming through.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
You gonna give me orders? Sure. Will do.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Been waiting on you. You got it. Looking forward to it. You gonna give me orders? By the numbers. Go, go, go! God, been waiting on you. Armed and ready. Looking forward to it. Gangway, coming through. That's fine.
Base is under attack.
Been waiting on you. This better be good. Outstanding.
They've broken through the south barricade. Get some troops down there now.
You know, I think I saw this in a movie once.
Daybreak in 30 seconds. Is under attack.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
Upgrade.
You want a piece of me, boy? By the numbers.
Don't forget, you have to be back by dark.
You scared me. Who wants some? This better be good.
Not enough minerals.
You want a piece
All right,
of me, boy?
this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Go, go, go! Booyah! Been waiting. Armed and who wants some? Gangway, coming through. This better. You want a piece of me, boy? I'm on it. Go, go, go!
Additional supply depots required.
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
Yeah, I can't build here.
Want some? I'm on it.
The doctor is in.
Not enough minerals.
Armed and ready. Outstanding.
Where did you rang?
Sure.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
The doctor is in.
Move it.
almost done. There's just a handful of infested biosigns left. I'll highlight their locations on the map.
Of course. Can't wait. Keep your shirt on. This better be good. Gangway. By the numbers, boys.
You did it, Jim. I knew you wouldn't let us down. Now I've got to get my people somewhere safe.
Ain't gonna be so easy, darling. This whole sector's crawling with Zerg.
There's got to be somewhere out there the aliens haven't touched. Some undiscovered paradise waiting just for us.